everyone, and welcome back to day 7 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today's trick is one of my most favorite tricks, and it's related to concatenation. Most people still concatenate strings using plus, but there are smarter ways in SQL Server to do this. Before we discover the smart functions, it's time to remind you about a fun SQL riddle that will be asked towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. The most common approach that most developers will use is to use the plus sign as a concatenation operator. The trouble with this approach is that it breaks completely if any input value is null, because null concatenated with any value is going to be a null. The trick here is to use the concat function that ignores the nulls in your input data. But notice something here. Since for record 3, the first name was null, the concatenated output has a leading space. You can use the ltrim and rtrim functions to remove these extra spaces, but here's a more easier and clever way to do this. Use the function concat_ws, which means concat with separator. Execute this function and you will notice that it automatically removes any nulls in the input values. It does not add any extra spaces. The separator here needs to be specified only once. A fun application of the use of concat_ws function is to generate the dynamic file paths. You can just specify your columns and variables to be concatenated with the desired separator or delimiter without worrying about any nulls or extra spaces. Now that you are an expert in concatenation in SQL Server, let's see if you can solve this SQL riddle. Post your answers to this riddle in the comments below. If you get the correct answers for all the 15 SQL riddles asked in this series, then at the end of the series, you can get free access to our SQL online courses. So all the best and see you in the next video.